Hey everyone, this is Ray from Sheetrix. Today I'll be walking you through how to use our free vacation budget template for Google Sheets. If you're planning your next trip and want to stay on top of your spending, this sheet will help you plan, track, and manage your vacation budget all in one place. Let's take a look. At the top you'll see the vacation summary section. Here's where you enter your destination, start and end dates, number of travelers, and your total budget. This makes it super easy to see your trip details at a glance. Right below that is the savings tracker. This is where you can track how much you've already saved for your trip and how much more you need to reach your target. As you add to your savings, the remaining box will automatically update, so you always know where you stand before you even pack your bags. Next up is the estimated versus actual budget section. On the left you'll see your spending categories, followed by your estimated and actual costs, the difference between those costs, and your notes section. This is where you could add any little notes or reminders about these categories. At the bottom, your totals are calculated automatically, so you always know your total plan versus actual spending for the whole trip. Now over to the right side is the expenses table. This is where you record your purchases throughout the trip. Just enter the date, category, the item, the cost of it, and the payment method. Each row has drop downs for your spending categories and payment methods, which makes data entry super quick. Every time you add a new expense, it'll get automatically included into your totals on the left side. On our drop down sheet is where we have our drop down categories. So from before we could see our spending categories, those were as drop downs, and then on the right side here we also have the payment methods. These are customizable, so you could change them up to 10 of each. And that's it. With this vacation budget, you can plan your whole trip, track your spending, and know exactly where your money goes. If you want to try it yourself, head to sheetrix.com or click the link in the description below to download the vacation template. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, it really helps us out. Thanks for watching.